Your choice, because there's a bedroom over here. This is the loft. And then there's another bedroom with the bathroom over here. You want to flip the switch? How would this do for your bedroom?
Too small?
I think his bedroom right now is probably about the size of the bathroom. Right there.
It's about half the size of this.
The other room is the same size as this, give or take. It's pretty close.
Is it?
Pretty close in size.
Hey, look, there's a little door for the
But
bathroom.
Here's the deal, pal.
Check that out.
You can close this door to the hall, and you got your own bedroom suite, you know what I mean? You can just go to the bathroom and back to bed, and nobody even knows it.
We'll be downstairs.
How's that?
Thank you for mentioning the whole closing the door in the hallway part. Because that could have been funny quite a few times, trying to get that through.
My son learned when he's old enough to know it. He always locks that door when he's here.
Oh, that makes sense.
That way he doesn't have to worry.
Here, Logs, you wanna... Here, look, watch. Can we... Where's the light switch? Do you find it? Okay, so what do you think? Is this like a good Logan bathroom?
Yes.
Yes?
It's
go.
Hey, wait, you have two sinks.
What?
You wash your left hand over there and your right hand over there. How's that?
Why are you still wearing your hood?
I don't know. I feel like it.
And there's your bathtub and shower. It's like normal size.
It's bathtub slash shower.
It is. It's a nice bathroom. See? So what do you think? Do you like this bedroom? Yeah?
Want to see the other one?
The garage, by the way, Logs, is over this way to the right. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have gotten that.
That's all right. Logan's going to have to get used to turning that up.
Yeah, right?
If he's the only
Here.
resident up here, he's going to have to get used to that part.
That's
There's a
true.
second unit in there.
There's one over here.
Actually, we lived here the first winter. My son was at school, I think, and never turned on the unit upstairs because
This is
it's
a
only
good
3 degrees.
I've been videotaping this whole thing.
Right. Because this work with the heat from downstairs. Oh, sure, because the heat rises. But 3 degrees is nothing when you think about
Hee
it.
hee,
so-
it's my own virtual tour.
Yes, right.
I've been stalking your house now for over a year on Realtor.com like a loser. Remember I showed you?
Yeah, I saw
I showed you and you took me seriously. I didn't think you were gonna take me seriously. It was my like reach.
I think he likes bedroom number 1.
You like bedroom number 1?
Yes.
Yeah?